Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Sudhan. I'm Sudhan, and behind the camera is Isha. Say hi, Isha.
Hi.
Hi, and I see that you've been watching our videos, so that's really good to see. Our last video was the most video that's watched to date. And thank you for your support.
The most viewed video.
Most viewed video.
Yeah.
There we go. So, thank you for watching. So we're back now making the 9th video, and we're really excited to do something different this time. We're gonna make a banana iced coffee. Now this coffee, iced coffee, is something really special, and I like to make it sometime when it's really warm outside, and it's a nice refreshing drink. And just to tell you a little bit of a story around it and how I found out about the recipe. Well, when we were living in the Netherlands, in Maastricht, I was just strolling down the street in the city center, and I popped over to a cafe, and the lady, she's Egyptian, I think, or Persian, and she made this coffee for me, and I thought it was the most incredible tasting iced coffee ever, and I thought it was very unique, so I started making it ever since. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. For the banana iced coffee, of course we need some coffee, and we also need some vanilla essence, cinnamon powder, and we also need some bananas and milk, good stuff, healthy, and we also need some ice, which is already in the fridge, and we are also using honey. It's a pure stuff, real stuff, and what we heard here is that a lot of the honey in the supermarket has sugar additives, or it's not the real thing. So this is the real stuff, and we're very happy with it actually. It's brilliant, and it also supports the local farmers. And you can, if you like, you can use honey, or you can also replace it with maple syrup, and I've done both, and they're both really good. So let's make it. To make the coffee, I'm using a percolator. I've already got to put some water in there, and I'm going to put that on. And I'm just going to press the coffee grounds in there. It's a bit overflowing, but that's fine. But if you do not have a percolator, that's also fine. You can also use a double shot of Nespresso coffee, or coffee that you mix yourself with some hot water. So whatever's convenient for you is fine. So it's ready to go on the stove. So I'm gonna put that over till it boils over. I'll be right back. So to begin with, I'm gonna peel the bananas, and just break it up into 3 or 4 pieces. And I'm using about 1.5 banana. Banana's rich in potassium and magnesium, so it's very good for you. Oh, I put a little bit extra, so I guess I'm going to eat it. Good. So we're going to add some milk in there as well. I think I'm adding about 1.5 cups of milk, and some cinnamon powder, about half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence as well, just like that, and 1.5. I'm gonna see with so that's about 1.5 tablespoons of honey, and I'm going to throw in the coffee. I'm going to get some ice. So now I'm adding in the ice, and I'm going to blitz it all together. Alright, I think it's done. It's nice and smooth. There we go. So as you can see, there's a lot of foam at the top, and when we're pouring it, we want it to be smooth. So I usually strain the top part because I don't want the top foam. And we want the liquidy stuff. So,
Hoppa! Yeah.
as you can see, it's nice and smooth a bit, like a latte. And that's what we want. There we go. It's ready. You
Nice.
want one?
Of course, thank you.
So that's banana iced coffee, and I hope you like it. And thank you for watching our videos, and we will be sure to post more videos. And please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. And also leave us some comments, suggestions. What are your thoughts? How has your experiences been? Do let us know, and we will be in touch.
And you can click there.
And you can click here.
Yeah, of course, just for fun, right?
Yeah. Bye.
Bye!